Hi there. My job today is to move on some little plug plants that I bought as tiny little things a couple of months ago to save money, and these are plants for spring. And so now I'm going to move them on. They've grown very nicely in these little sections, in these modules in my little lean-to greenhouse here. And now I'm going to move them on into their own pots before moving into their final display pots ready for the big spring show. So they've developed nice little roots here. These are polyanthus, and I'm just going to tuck some compost in the bottom of a nice recycled pot here. Pop the plant in like that. Tuck more soil round it. There we are. Okay, and then I'll give it a good water. There we are. And that will be moved again into my little greenhouse, which now stays open, in order for them to get really become strong, good plants ready for spring.